Hello everyone. So today we'll be learning uh, how to get the Muhurat or the auspicious date as per the Hindu calendar, which we normally have, like uh, on which are the dates in which I should go with doing my some auspicious occasions for my property, so that it would bring goodness and peace into the house or my office space. So just click on the home button, and then there's the right corner which says Muhurat. Just click on that button. So once you click on that button, so it will, you have to pay for whatever the amount is there. It is not much expensive. Just go with it, and then now you have to fill in your date of birth. Just slide in for your date of birth on the left corner. If you click on the years, so you'll be having the slider coming out. Just click on the year of your birth, or if you're looking for someone else also, that's fine. You can just click on the slider and get their date of birth. That's also not a problem. And then after that, once it is there, so I'll select the occasion which I'm having. So the occasion is whatever you have the occasion. So Bhumi Pujan is for land puja which you do after you buy the property. And next one is the Shanku Sthapan, means the foundation stone laying ceremony which you normally do before you start the construction process. And then the third one is the start of excavation or the construction work start. So if you're having already a land and if you would like to start the work, then what are the dates which are available to start the work? You can use the third option. Fourth option is placement of main door. This is also one of the occasion which people who believe in Vastu, they try to use it, and which is also very nice thing to do. Very nice ceremony which happens once you are placing the main door, because that's through which you get all the happiness which enter to your home. That's also a good one. And the fifth one is one of the most famous one which we normally do. That's the Graha Pravesh, office Pravesh, or the shop, which you normally call it the inauguration day, or recent time people have started calling it housewarming or office warming party, which is also fine. Whichever you think is there, you can just select it. Right now I'll be going with the Graha Pravesh, and then after I'll click on the preferred month. So preferred month is the month if your builder is saying, or if your developer is saying, if your real estate agent is saying, or whichever the occasion which you like to do. And if you prefer any month, so because this is the Hindu calendar, that's the reason why it's starting from April. Currently this is of 2016, and so this is only having of this year of 2016, of from April to 2017 March. So you can select any of them. The month. So if I select for the month of September, like I need to look what are the good days which are available for the September, and then I'll click check my address. So it's G9 and J block. The pin code which I'll be there. Once pin code of the area, so Delhi is selected. I'm Delhi, and then I'll type the state as Delhi, and then I'll click on the start. So let me see what you'll get. So the Muhurat has kicked into it, and now this is so cool and so nice. You can see on the top it's day, date, and time in Indian Standard Time. And in green it's Nakshatra, blue it's Tithi, and red it's Yog. On 4th of September, on Sunday, and my puja time should start from in the morning 6 o'clock 4 minutes to in the evening 4 o'clock to 52 minutes. So that's my puja time, where in between I should do my all the rituals and all the main function activities should happen in this time, and the nakshatra is also written and the tithi is written. So this is the whole month. So in this month we are having nearly about 7 days with good and auspicious timing for the Graha Pravesh. This is pretty nice, I think, and we should do one of our properties if we are doing it something for the lifetime thing. Then we should always opt for the good times, so that it brings happiness and peace into our home, which is preferred, and brings gains according to the feeling which we have. And I think if we follow these dates, then hope that goodness will follow. And at the same point of time, I got a mail in my backside which is having a PDF, which I'll just try to download it, and then if I click on it, see, so I'm having, so once I paid for once, so I need not to remember this in the whole app, but I'll get on the back end the mail also with the same things, so that I don't need to pay again and again for the same. So this is very intelligently planned. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy it, and keep using this app, and hope it gets you happiness all along. Cheers and have a good one.